Bunk beds?
Not bunk beds. No, there were 2 bedrooms in the apartment. Sorry, my stomach's growling. I wonder if you can hear that on the podcast.
Hopefully.
I hope so, too.
Spoiler alert.
Spoiler alert, I'm a little hungry. That happened to somebody else.
You'd been nominated before for a supporting role.
Oh, my God. That one must have been. You could hear it.
Yeah.
We had just been together for so long, the whole crew, and my stomach's about to growl again. I can feel it. Oh, my God, I got to move around. This can't happen again. This is getting insane. Oh, there it is.
I heard it.
God, I'm really
What do you have for
sorry, everyone at
breakfast?
home.
That's okay. Right, you weren't like,
I don't think anyone's minds except for like, what is going on?
Of course this is what's happening.
Yeah,
right.
no, it was just
I didn't hear that one.
you didn't. That was a deep rumble.
But there's a physical part to this, playing tennis. You don't have a tennis background classically. You're the first kid to grow up in Arizona without any tennis.
Oh, that really got intense.
You have a growling stomach. Thank you so much
for listening
being
to Stomach Growls.